Did you know that one of the biggest language mix-ups in history happened at the Tower of Babel? Imagine ordering food and getting bricks instead. In Genesis 11, people decided to build a tower that reached the heavens. They wanted to be famous and show their pride. But things didn't go as planned. God saw their pride and decided to confuse their language. Suddenly, no one could understand each other. Imagine asking for a sandwich and getting a shovel. People tried to communicate, but it was just gibberish. Someone wanted water and they got a pile of bricks. Another asked for nails but received a loaf of bread. It was hilarious and chaotic. People were frustrated and confused. They couldn't work together anymore, and the tower project came to a halt. This story reminds us that pride can lead to confusion and division. When we rely on our own strength and forget about unity in God, things can go terribly wrong. But when we come together in humility and trust in God, amazing things can happen. Unity in God matters more than we realize. So next time you're tempted to be proud, remember the Tower of Babel. Let's choose unity and humility and watch how God can bring us together.